Welcome to DJH Prestige and Sports. We've just acquired this lovely looking BMW. It's in fantastic condition. It's finished in metallic black. It's got the black pack all the way around it. Grills all in black. Gloss black alloy wheels in lovely condition. Different styled wing mirrors. It's only just arrived, hasn't even been cleaned yet, to be fair. We've got the rear privacy glass. Rear park distance control, larger rear spoiler, it's an upgrade. You see it's in lovely condition. Boots in good condition, got the rear parcel shelf. Seats are in lovely condition. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Done 96,599 miles. It's got satellite navigation, different driving modes down here. Eco Sport, Eco Pro. Got Bluetooth connectivity, media pack, DAB radio, cruise control, automatic headlights. DJH provide full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.